Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will tell you about how to turn your matte foundation into a dewy glowy foundation makeup finish. Now we all just love matte foundations because this is ready to go foundation and you can use it anywhere, like you are going to office or like your college, and like for normal stuff you can use this. But there's some occasions like evening parties and stuff where you want your makeup to be a little glowy and dewy. So for that you need some glowy foundation. When you have a matte foundation, you might not want to invest in some other glowy foundation, and for that reason I'll just show you how to turn your matte foundation into a glowy foundation. Before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. You can see the icon below and also hit the bell icon for regular notifications. So let's get going. Now there are two methods of doing that. First method is using a face oil and second method is using a liquid highlighter. Now I'll tell you, I have this Maybelline matte foundation which I really love. Now either when I want some subtle glowy look, I use face oil, and this is my favorite oil which really mix with this. This is Nykaa Skin Potion Overnight Repair Oil, this one. I'll link all the products in the description box, but it doesn't mean that you can't use anything else. It's a universal concept, so you can basically use any face oil with any matte foundation. And the second method is use of a liquid highlighter. I really prefer this one, is a Maybelline Strawberry Cream liquid highlighter, this one. This gives you a more glowy look. It's not subtle, it makes it really glowy. So if you want to go for the subtle look, just use a face oil, and if you want really like a bomb kind of glow, then use a liquid highlighter. So that's it for today. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and families. And if you want to see something, you can definitely put in the comments. I check every comment and reply to those. So that's it for today. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay tuned. Bye bye.